Hi, everyone! Welcome to the dairy farm. Today, let's draw a yellow excavator. Look! It's glowing! Glowing! Something magic is happening. Good job, Superboy! Now, let's go feed our hungry cows. Feeding cows is very important to get delicious milk. Ooh, a big yellow toy. I want to drive it.
Monkey Bandit is destroying the farm! The cows are escaping!
Paint Girl! Help! Monkey Bandit is driving the excavator and ruining everything! We have to stop him and save the cows! Let's go! Monkey Bandit! You caused a lot of trouble. Now, write your apology and help us fix the shed. I've got the wood and tools. We're ready to rebuild everything.
I am so sorry. Good job, Monkey Bandit! That's how you use the excavator.
Time for a yummy snack, cows! Fresh milk for everyone! This milk is delicious! Good job, friends! Bye-bye, friends! See you next time! Woo-hoo-hoo! Hee-hee! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more farm adventures. See you next time! Bye-bye!